is exactly what I earned in the last 7 days, and at the same time, this is how we performed in 7 days. Can you believe this? That I always tell you that a day determines your month, a day determines your week, and a day determines your year. How you earn, how you perform matters so much. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says you can use your gadget, you can use that smartphone that you have to make sure you become successful, to make sure you have a living. We are spreading love through this. So we are here to present to you the last week's analytics, the last week's performance. How did we perform on our channels? But tonight I'm going to be showing you how we performed on YouTube in the last 7 days. It was so beautiful. This is amount of money that we earned. Yes, for reasons, let me cover it, because most people have advised me not to be showing all the amount, even. Yes, and Facebook has totally refused it completely. But we earned some great amount of money, not very great, but it was beautiful. How did we come to earn this money? It started from the first day of the week when we started doing the videos. So I'm going to be taking you through what we did in the last month. I mean, in the last 7 days. The last 7 days, we are privileged to inform you that 2.5K people turned into us. This was so beautiful that people watched our videos so well. So thank you very much for turning into us. And we are going also to be showing you the videos that performed very well in the last week. But before that, out of these 2.5K people that turned into us, how did they find us? This is the most thing that we always want to know, especially all creators. We fight to get this. Most of them got us on YouTube Home. YouTube Home is the press when you open your YouTube. You open your YouTube app, or from your laptop, anywhere, the first videos that come to your YouTube before you open your YouTube account. So that is YouTube Home. I've been also I really am amazed, and I'm happy that most of you found us on YouTube Home. These 2.5K, that was it. Then the second way how people found us is by Shorts feed. Shorts feed, this it is from Shorts. You people, when we came to learn the last 2 weeks, we came to teach you about how to get subscribers, how to get viewers, and other things. YouTube Shorts is one of the beautiful things that can market you. So we embarked on this journey of putting shorts, and we'll be looking at how many shorts we posted last week, and how many videos we posted, how much did we make from this one. It is so beautiful. The moment you post shorts, there are advantages of shorts. Like you see our previous videos when we were talking about how to increase your views. There are advantages of shorts. These shorts can direct you to other videos, longer videos. So shorts, most individuals like to watch shorts because of their reason, because of time, and it is fun. But there is that place where YouTube has provided to put that which video is related to this. So the moment you put that video, people are likely to go, not likely, most people go there because they want to check the detailed video, especially if your video is variable. So kudos to us, and kudos to everybody who saw us through shorts. Thank you very much. Then let's go to another way how people found us. They found us on YouTube search, meaning our videos, our titles are searchable. This is so beautiful that every creator out there, you should try. We are still trying to make sure that we do this, to make sure that our videos are searchable. And how do you get to that thing of being searchable? One, you have to use keywords, most searchable words. I told you in our last video, recent one, you go and check it. How can you maintain that key searchable words? You can use different ways. You can use VIDQ. VIDQ, as you can see on the screen, this is the most important. Like for example, if someone goes there and put how to make money, our videos will come up. So this is how it came up. So there, let's go and see how many views we did in the last 7 days, and how many likes plus how many shares. So let's see how our performance was in general, and we're going to use the analytics that was confirmed and given to us by YouTube itself. So this one is not from us, it is from YouTube. As I told you, the major way of how people found us, there's 2.5K in 7 days. It was from YouTube, Shorts feeds, YouTube search. That is very well and very beautiful. Here, this is what we got. We did 10 videos in 7 days. We did 7 shorts in 7 days. We did 3 posts. These 10 videos are long videos. 7 shorts are those are shorts, as videos which are less than 1 minute. So they are 60 minutes. This is what they watched most, you guys. People watched how much money YouTube pays for 100 views. I love 1,000 because I I want our videos to be hitting 1,000 in very soon. Every video should reach 1,000. So this video was how much money YouTube pays for 100 views. This was so beautiful. Was the top one. How many people watched it? You can see it on the screen. How many people so far? How many views so far? Have how many views about this video? You can see it on the screen. Then the second one was I applied for 4,250 US dollar grant, and you should too. This video, the deadline was ending 30th, so this was the second most watched. Then the third one is the 10 worst video production mistakes. This was a short. So out of this, what people watched most, there are 2 videos, then with one shot. Here we are. People did not just watch, can you imagine? They liked our videos, 173 people. We had 173 likes. You know, it is not easy for people to come on your video and like and do anything. Some other people will watch and move, but these ones liked, then 84 people shared. You guys, kudos to everybody that is out there. You might not know me, I don't know you, but I'm really humbled because imagine 84 shares. These shares, I tell you, what I can easily share, I always share on my WhatsApp status. But on WhatsApp status, you put once. So if you say 84, it means people, you're so amazing. Thank you very much. Then we got 91 comments in the 7 days. Thank you very much, because engagement is a key to making money on this, and also sends a message to to our people, to our sponsors, algorithm, that no, these videos are engaging. Then you people, can you remember how many times our posts were liked? Our posts were liked 173 times, you guys. And these analytics are from 23rd of September to 29th of September, which means that as we start this month, I'll be bringing for you also the video for the whole month. I don't want to bring as to my analytics, as to my observation, as to my analysis. No, I want to wait for the video of the analytics of YouTube, then I'll be sharing with you. So in the 7 days, we have done well, by the way, because the amount of money were good. And above all, what I didn't tell you, in 7 days, we got 55 new subscribers. That was beautiful. Where did the subscribers come from? The subscribers came from major videos, not from shorts. So this is what I was telling you. When you direct a short to a video, it does it very beautiful things. So today, what are you doing? Are you ready to start making shorts? Are you ready to start relating them to YouTube videos? And above all, can you make that challenge? Have you seen how many videos we did for the last? We did 10 videos in 7 days, meaning there is a day we put 2. You know, our aim was to make 2 videos, but sometimes it is very hard. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Let's see you this new month is going to be beautiful and more than that. Don't forget to make a video today or a short. See you in another video.